8724 Jones Place. Looking at the drain line. This is a dedicated drain line separate than the sewer. 50 plus feet down the line right now. That footage isn't exactly accurate on this one. So we're going to pull back. I'm going to run the hose down the downspout so we can see some of this water going and see that the system's intact. Alright. Slowly come back here, Got flow. Hey, can you do that?
So 50 feet would have gotten us ahead of that drain for the garage, right?
Correct. Go in a little. Careful, buddy. Come back just a bit. Back. Slow. Slow. Keep coming. Oh, go in a little bit. Come back a little bit. Just a little bit more. So yeah, there's the connection for this.
Okay.
Coming in out of the side, you see that kind of half moon shape there? So that's just the branch arm coming off of it. So all looks good.
Sweet. All right, that actually looks really good. All right, awesome. All right, so I got the questions for the
Okay, I'm gonna end the recording there.